They often say a rubber tree stops telling its story when it breathes its last drop of latex. But I think the rubber tree is just starting a new chapter of a new life. I see the beauty in every curve, knot, and gnarl that weaves its way around, the sparks and plot that are hidden within every texture of the wood. We don't take anything for granted. We appreciate nature and all that she's doing for us. We know the story she tells grows with the ages. We hear what's just enough so her story does not fall on deaf ears. We are growing bigger in number, but nature is not expanding in size. Living within means simplicity is key. The hue attitude. The world is your canvas. Allow your own dreams and creativity to run freely. Discover your own story and passion and feel whole again. See the beauty in every corner of life. Experience this journey we call life, that we may write our own story no matter what. What is seen through the eyes may not be what it is. Is this a drawer? Or is it just a coffee table? Just as a coin has two sides, a story has multiple twists and turns. We write our own plot, beginning, middle, and end. What could this be? A place of storage or a place to rest? A life enjoyed is more than just merrymaking. It is an appreciation to what envelops us, nature in all its glory and best. Love and be loved even more. This is the story we want to write and live in. Minimal with the right amount of comfort. Our story with nature, where enough is really just enough. Comfort through nature. Natural signature.